Hey guys, so today we are going to be looking at lung capacity. Lung capacity is how much air or oxygen your lungs can hold. So in today's activity, you're gonna need a balloon and a ruler. That's if you have it. If you don't, then you're just gonna use the data that I'm gonna provide you with. Also in Canvas, you will see this little half sheet that we have filled out together. You need to make sure you filled in this chart. So either you're going to collect your data or you're going to write down my data. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to blow into the balloon, then I'm going to pinch it with my finger, and I'm going to measure the diameter of the balloon before I release it. Okay, so I'm going to try that right now. Okay. So you can't take your lips off the balloon, and then you're going to measure the diameter. So you set it down, and I would write down a 12 because when I put it next to the ruler, the top of the balloon is about 12 centimeters, okay? So I'm going to put 12 centimeters down for my balloon diameter. Okay, if I look down at the bottom where the graph is, I can see for 12 centimeters that my lung capacity was about 0.8, so 0.8 liters. Okay, so now I'm going to release the air, and I'm going to try this again. Okay. So you're blowing into the balloon when you're not taking a bunch of breaths, just one large breath. Okay. So again, I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to measure what it is this time. So again, it's about 12 centimeters, 13, 14, about 14 centimeters from the very top height of the balloon. So I'm going to release my balloon. 14 centimeters, okay? And then I'm going to look at the graph down below and see at 14 centimeters what the lung capacity is. So where the line meets, it's about right here. So that's about 1.4. So I'm going to write 1.4 liters. Okay. And then I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to get 3 trials, so let's get my third trial. Okay, so I'm going to measure once again, and I'm going to the very highest point of the ruler. So let me look at it on my side. Okay, I'm seeing about 13 centimeters. 13.5 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to release my balloon, and I'm going to write 13.5 centimeters. So if I look for 13, there is no 13, but so it's in between. And I'm going to go up to 13. And that's 1 liter. So to calculate my average, I'm going to add up my 3 numbers and divide by 3. Okay, so you add up the 3 numbers and divide by 3. So when I add these up, I got 39.5, and then I divide that number by 3, and my average was 13.1 0.17 centimeters. That was my average. So if I'm trying to get my average lung capacity, I'm going to add up these three numbers and divide by 3. So I should have 3.2 liters, and I'm going to divide by 3. And my average is 1.07 liters. Okay, 1.07 liters is my average lung capacity. Okay, so you're going to complete the activity where you're blowing into the balloon and finding your lung capacity. And then we're going to watch the video about how smoking can affect your lungs. And the final step for today is that you're going to fill out the discussion post that's on Canvas as well. Okay, so please complete those things for today. Thank you.